Take a ride in the 2018 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, speed control. Come take a test drive today.
Mazda Certified Pre-Owned vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough, detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda Certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda Certified means that you have both limited and Powertrain Warranty and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic Certified Pre-Owned program.